Hello there, how are you doing? This is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 different methods. Those are easily you can install any apps or programs on your Windows 10 devices. Yes friends, you are learning 3 simple methods to uninstall any applications or programs on your Windows 10. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First method, so you can find the applications or programs on your Windows desktop, right? So like this. So if you want to uninstall any application, right click on the icon and you can find properties. Click on that. To uninstall any program, go to the Windows search bar and search for the application. For example, I want to uninstall Chrome, so let me search for Chrome. You'll find the application in the best match result. Right click on that and select uninstall. Now you head into the uninstall program, then you need to select once again. So select the program and go to uninstall. So don't worry about this powerful uninstall because I'm using a third-party software for this. So you will find uninstall option only. So click on uninstall. Now you can able to uninstall the program. Then uninstall. In the second method, right click on the Windows icon and select settings. There you will find apps. Click on that. Now you will find apps and feature. Make sure you are selected apps and feature. There you will find a bunch of software which has installed on the Windows 10. So if you want to uninstall any program, click on the application and select uninstall. Third method, this is a traditional method. Let me show you how. So go to the Windows search bar and search for control panel. In the best match result you will find that. Click on that. Now make sure you have selected category view. Then find programs. Under you will find uninstall a program. Click on that. There you will find which are the software you have installed. That list you will see. So click on any application if you want to uninstall and click on uninstall. That's it guys. This is how we can uninstall any apps or programs on Windows 10 easily with 3 simple methods. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.